Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kinigilongi khubor bamda kasni. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment MOSJE kala kular ya ke Sorkar Meghalaya bakan beitingka ya ke jela bakan shna ya ke madan ialehkai ki briew badan jingduna Governmental Center for Disability Sports hajilla. Haba penpau ya kani na kaliang umentri ke MOSJE ula kular ban beitingka ya ke madan ialehkai jeng ki briew baduna Governmental kaban satay hamau khanu niu shilong. Oba apoling do gane ke jing kular kelami na ke jing yalang habdeng umentri rangba ke jela konrad ki sangma bat umentri ke MOSJE Virendra Kumar kabalong mensyam tayo ha ke jing yadan ringkat lang mau. Ya gini ki prangut kinong sengkam badon jingduna Governmental lapen ko buram ha gane ke jing yalang bat gini ki day ila penpau bagane ke projek kan sa say sosyen uba apol ula penpau ya ke jing kermen ba kajilla kan sa UI ki briew badan jing duna Governmental ba ialehkai ha ke National Games arajar arpinyo kaban pelong da ke Meghalaya. Lari kerpang nongrum, lari cyber and stationery, Ferdinand Lingdo EKANBHA, Don Risha Mauri, cultivating high quality sustainable flowers, Dispi Kharbuli, blacksmith, Batskhem Khar Kamni, furniture, Bansuklang and Solang steel fabrication, Bandarisha Rinja custom embroidered products, But George Eric Campbell, Marbanyang electrician but wiring. Kasugamya yatra kadai kasunjam balashim da kajingtmu ban plilat plilinti, but I bentalem yaki briew badan jingduna Governmental. Lapelong yaga da ka office, ka commissioner for person with disability, ha kajing yatrailang but ka State Resource Center on Disability Affairs SRCDA, Shillong but ka Composite Regional Center Shillong. Kasugamya yatra kadai shibenta jong kasugamya Bharat Abhiyan bala wanra da ka Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment ka Sorkar India. Kiwi par ki bala ajing kren ki kentup ya kakong Bridget Warshong, Deputy Commissioner for Person with Disability bat kiwi. Habakren halor ki program sengkam sengjam na kabenta ki briew badan jingduna Governmental. Kabadi uso bami na ka Empower Fest ka program bala krishan na ka Sorkar Jilla bat katanat social welfare haringkat ka jingit trailang bat ka Prime Meghalaya. Ikong Bridget ilayutho ba prangut kinong sengkam kila syajit banyo jingkershan pisa na ka Prime Meghalaya bat yo ikasong pisa bakon arfo arlak tingka baro lang.
I also welcome to our family because I deem social welfare department to be family, and it is with a lot of delight and also with a lot of expectation that I welcome Ba Likor to our family here. True to his name, now the mantle has fallen on his shoulders, and I hope his responsibilities. It's very important for us to also keep in mind that apart from your having welcomed me here as Minister of Social Welfare, there is the term minister is not just a noun, it's also a verb. And the meaning of the word minister as a verb is to attend to the needs of others. To minister to someone means to attend to the need of others. So it's not just a privilege, it's not just about power, it's not just as is very common parlance these days to say high level, but it is not nothing to do with high level, it is serving, catering, and going down to the grassroots to find out what are the needs and to cater to those needs. So I think apart from everything else, I would like to take this name and the office of a minister, keeping that verb in mind, to tend to the needs of others. One of the greatest human beings who ever walked the face of this earth, Mother Teresa, had said that the greatest affliction that confronts humanity is not cholera, is not tuberculosis, but it is the sense of not being wanted. And it is our responsibility as a government. A lot of government officers, in fact, have this tendency to think that government would mean the 12 members of the Ministry of the Governmental Meghalaya, forgetting that they themselves are also part, parcel, and co-traveler in this entire journey, the yatra that we have to take this state forward. I'm amused that sometimes even members belonging to staff in the state secretariat think of government as people who occupy chambers as cabinet ministers. But government belongs to each one of you. And we will be able to succeed in our mission only when each one of you thinks in those terms. You have a responsibility, we have a responsibility to fulfill. I'd like to break down this word, responsibility, to address one very important aspect of what it means to be responsible. Responsibility, especially to our officers manning various departments and shouldering various responsibilities. Please keep this in mind. Responsibility also means responsibility. Your ability to respond to situations, to challenges, to problems, to issues. And there is a lot of difference between your ability to respond and your ability to react. It's very common for us as human beings, as individuals, to react to any situation. But it takes maturity and responsibility to not just react, but to respond. To one of the few states that has journeyed a country as diverse as ours is that we go on a mode of convergence. Possible service, we should identify where do we diverge, and after having done that in any room, we could convince him that one of the pending projects can participate will be part of the National Games 2027. The basic elementary qualification entails us to do. Go beyond that. I've always said this, the zeal of a missionary. Or you can go a few steps ahead of that and